Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to turn on the on-screen keyboard on HP Compaq 250. To do it, just right-click on the taskbar, then click on taskbar settings, and now you can just find touch keyboard, set it to always, and now you'll see the touch keyboard on your taskbar all the time, and just click on it. To open that keyboard, click on X to close it, and I'm also gonna show you how to change this keyboard. You can see now it's docked and it's big. You can click on this button to easily undock it, and now when it's undocked you can move it around the screen, or you can dock it again. You can also go to the settings right here, keyboard layout, and set it to default, which is this default docked keyboard. The small one is the undocked one. You can also set it to split, so it will look like this, or you can set it to traditional, so it will include the keys like Shift, Caps Lock, Delete, Tab, FN key, Control Alt, the Windows key, the Alt GR, etc. So it will more resemble the physical keyboard. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.